So, what does a parrot know about PTSD? So, the article has two main points or theses. The main thesis of the article is that the cognitive development of parrots and their ability to communicate, express emotions, and empathize make parrot therapy an effective tool to deal with post-traumatic stress syndrome. And this is supported by the evidence and the witness of many veteran soldiers. The second point is that the mistreatment of parrots causes these birds to suffer analogous pain and traumas to those of veteran soldiers due to their highly developed memory and emotional intelligence. The author portrays bird abandonment very negatively. It considers parrots to become twice traumatized by the separation of the flock and the separation from the owner. Both can hurt parrots emotionally. Parrots are depicted as extraordinarily smart and empathetic birds. This is further emphasized by interviewed subjects who claim that parrots don't judge and can see through human souls. Conversely, humans are often described as selfish, invasive, and unnecessarily aggressive. This contrast reinforces the point that depriving parrots from freedom and their natural social behaviors, flocking, is a broken flight of human fancy. Aside from the aforementioned claims by interviewed subjects, most claims about the parrots are objective and supported by scientific evidence. Well, while I was reading the article, I identified a personal interpretive bias. I had a dog who was hit by a car whose driver fled right away. This made me more sensitive to human violence towards animals and made me more empathetic towards the latter when interests collide. I was able to mitigate this bias by analyzing scientific evidence about how much parrots can actually feel and how much they actually suffer by being left in cage. Nonetheless, my position remained the same. Before reading the history of parrot therapy, I was skeptical about how the article claimed that animal-assisted therapy could actually help overcome psychological disorders. Yet, it has been employed at least since the 18th century, when the York Retreat for the Mentally Ill opened in England in 1796 and began allowing patients to roam the outside grounds among farm animals. So we have further examples like Sigmund Freud that actually approved this kind of therapy. Besides, parrots possess outstanding cognitive abilities and sensibilities supported by scientific evidence, such as episodic memory and theory of mind, the ability to attribute mental states like intention, desire, awareness to yourself and to others.